In this video, we listed the 5 best gaming keyboard on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ATK 68 Gaming Keyboard. The KeyCup Printing Mechanical Keyboard by Olevo features a 68-key layout with PBT plastic keycaps and hot swappable switches. Designed for versatility, it offers multiple backlight colors and is suitable for various applications including desktop, laptop, and tablets. The keyboard has a USB interface and is certified with CE standards. Notable features include ATK 68 layout, magnetic switches, PBT keycaps, customizable programming, aluminum alloy construction, dynamic RGB lighting, and quick trigger response. It caters to gamers and professionals alike, with a focus on performance and aesthetics. The keyboard is compatible with Windows, Mac, and PC gamer accessories, making it a versatile choice for both gaming and office use. Number 2. Mini Bluetooth Keyboard. The Bluetooth keyboard offered by OneVan boasts good compatibility with iOS, Android, and Windows systems, making it suitable for a wide range of devices, including Apple iPhones, iPads, Android smartphones, and Windows tablets. Its lightweight and portable design make it ideal for travel or business trips, fitting easily into backpacks or bags without adding extra weight. With 3 different sizes available, users can choose the one that best suits their needs. The keyboard and mouse feature built-in rechargeable lithium batteries, providing long-term use with over 20 days of battery life on a full charge. The keyboard offers a comfortable typing experience with its scissor structure keys and ergonomic design. It ensures a stable Bluetooth connection with a working distance of up to 10 m and can be connected via USB as well. The product supports multiple languages and comes with various features such as Bluetooth connectivity, wireless operation, and compatibility with different keyboard layouts. Number 3. New Folding Keyboard. The Bluetooth keyboard is a compact and convenient accessory suitable for Apple's system, primarily designed for iPhones, but can also be used with Android phones, although some buttons may not be fully compatible. It features Bluetooth 3.0 technology, a touchpad size of 844.8 mm, and a foldable design with dimensions of 1529, 816 mm when folded, and 304, 598 × 8 mm when open. The keyboard weighs 200 g and has 63 keys, with a built-in 140 mAh lithium battery that can be charged via USB. The product is made of silicone buttons and ABS-reinforced plastic shell material. It supports English instructions, and additional language layouts can be customized. The keyboard offers practical wireless pairing, a built-in rechargeable battery, and is suitable for on-the-go use with mobile phones and tablets. Number 4. V800 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The mechanical keyboard is a wired keyboard with keyline separation design, featuring the Xinyao 93F IC chip and 68 keys that do not conflict. Made of ABS material, it uses blue axial switches and mechanical shaft key technology with a lifespan of 50 million clicks. The keyboard supports waterproof functionality and boasts an ice blue lighting design with 19 different lighting modes. It does not include hand support, but offers multimedia capabilities, plug-and-play functionality, and operates at 5V/100 mA max. The package includes the mechanical keyboard, USB cable, instruction manual, key extractor, 3 spare shafts, and a packing box. The product dimensions are 32 x 10, 2 x 3, 9 cm, weighing 523 g, with a package size of 33, 5 x 13 x 4, 5 cm, and a packing weight of 693 g. The keyboard is standard in style, has a USB interface, and is suitable for desktop, laptop, number, and tablet applications. The brand is Hymis, and it originates from mainland China, with no specified certification. Please note that measurements are in centimeters, and there may be slight variations in size and color due to manual measurement and device display differences. Number 5. 85-key silicone folding keyboard. The product described is an environmentally friendly keyboard made of high-end medical silicone material, ensuring it is non-toxic, tasteless, and safe to use. Its fully sealed design makes it waterproof, dustproof, and resistant to various substances, allowing it to be used in harsh environments and easily cleaned. The keyboard is portable and space-saving as it can be curled up for convenience. It operates silently, with a soft and comfortable touch that protects fingers from injury. The diverse color options and unique surface treatment ensure durability and prevent text from fading. The keyboard structure is simple and reliable, without metal components, and it offers a stable performance. The keyboard features 85 keys, a standard layout, and connects via USB, suitable for both desktop and laptop use. The brand is Kebidumi, originating from mainland China with CE certification.